Can we sell our house during divorce? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law, and this is an issue that came up a couple of months ago. We have a gentleman who is moving toward divorce. He's moved out of the marital home. He wants to buy another piece of property, but the problem is he needs his share of the equity in the marital home in order to do so. And his wife is living in the marital home, doesn't want to leave, doesn't want to sell the house. And so this question came up about whether the house can be sold during divorce, and if so, how that works. So the bottom line is that yes, a house can be sold during divorce, but it usually has to be by agreement of the parties. So a house is considered property in divorce, and the court has to decide, or the parties negotiate, whether there will be a split or a share in the proceeds of the equity in the home, and if so, what that will look like. If they can't figure it out, the court looks at a number of different factors to make that decision, like how long the marriage is, what they each contributed to the marriage, what their assets, income look like, and a number of different factors. So if there isn't a buyout and there's going to be a sale, then the issue here is that the court very, very rarely orders the sale of the house during a divorce. So it may be that ultimately, if the parties cannot work out a fair buyout amount, that as the case progresses and ends up in the trial phase, in the final phase of a case, a court may decide at that point that the house has to be sold. However, very rarely in the preliminary stages of a case does a court issue that order. And so you're left in a position where if you want your share of the equity in the home, you're having to negotiate during the divorce to either get a buyout or to sell the house. But again, it usually has to be by agreement. So can the house be sold during a divorce while the divorce is pending? Yes, it can, but it usually has to be by agreement of the parties, because very, very rarely does a court order a sale of the home in the preliminary stages of the case. If you have any other questions, you can call us at 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And you can also find us on Instagram and Facebook at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.